My YouTube channel. Now let us start with the next chapter 8, linear equation in one variable. Today we will start with the new chapter, linear equation in one variable. Here we will discuss about only one variable. Now what do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation is what consists of a polynomial or expressions in which the degree of the variable is 1. You have already studied about the degree. The maximum power of the variable is known as the degree. So here we will take one example, x plus 5 is equal to 3. Here maximum power of variable is 1. So degree is 1, that is known as the linear equation. Here another example is 2y plus 7 is equal to 11. Means the power of variable is 1. Also the power is 1 means linear equation is there. Yes. Now how to solve the linear equation? First of all we have to do, if there is any bracket, firstly we have to solve the bracket. After that take the variable one side and the constant terms in another side. Third point is perform addition and subtraction for simplify. If there is addition, subtraction, then we have to firstly solve the or simplify the addition and subtraction. And finally we will isolate, we will separate the variable by multiplying or dividing the right hand side. Now we will take the example, various example to solve the linear equation. Yes, firstly we will solve by taking one example. Yes, solve the equation. Solve the given equation. Yes, given linear equation. You can say linear equation. Linear equation is what? When linear equation in which the power of the variable is 1. That is known as the linear equation. This is the linear equation. First part, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. This part is of right hand side and this is left hand side. Here this part is of variable term and this is constant term. This is constant term and this is variable. This is the term with variable. So now what will we do here? This is the left hand side, this is right hand side. We will transpose the constant in one side and variable will take in one side. So in the left hand side we will take only the variables. In the right hand side already given 3. But we have to transport this constant also in the right hand side. If there is positive sign, here positive sign is here, but we transport, we will take in the right hand side, we will change this sign. If there is positive, it will become negative. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Here 2x is equal to minus 2. Now we will isolate. Next step is what? We have to isolate, we have to separate, we have to find the value of variable. Now by dividing 2, because इस वेरिएबल के साथ आपके पास क्या नंबर मल्टीप्लाई है 2, so we have to dividing both side by 2. 2 is cancelled with 2, here 2 is cancelled with 2. So therefore this means x is equal to minus 1. This is our required result of this linear equation. Yes, once again we have to given a linear equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. This is the constant, this is the variable term, this is constant, this is constant. Now we have to separate the constant in one side and variable terms in one side. So we have to, whenever we transport this constant from left to right, the sign will change. If there is positive, it will become negative. So 3 minus 5 become minus 2, and after dividing what will we get? The isolate value of the x. Now we will take another example for solving the linear equation, that is, yes, another example is minus s upon 24 is equal to 7 by 6. Now this is another form of the linear equation. Here s is the variable, its power is 1, so that's why this is a linear equation. Now cross multiplying. This method is known as cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. Now you have to multiply by opposite sides. 6 into x minus s into 6 is equal to 24 into 7. This type of multiplication is known as the cross multiplication. Whenever we multiply opposite sides, okay, minus 6s is equal to 24 into 7. Now we have to isolate this s. We have to find the value of this variable. Now we have to dividing both sides by what is here, minus 6. Dividing both sides by minus 6 because it is multiplied by minus 6. So that's why we have to multiply it by minus 6 both sides. If we add in one side, then we have to add in another side also. If we subtract from left, we have to also subtract from the right hand side. This is cancel out. 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. The answer is 7 4 ja minus 28. This is the result, this is the value, this is the root of the linear equation. So this is how we find the solution of the linear equation. Yes, next question is 2x minus 3 of 2x plus 3, 7x plus bracket start 3 plus 4x bracket close is equal to 7 by 6. Now we have to apply the yes, what we'll do, firstly we will open the bracket. Firstly, आपको जो मैंने रूल बताए थे उसमें क्या हमारा कंसेप्ट था, that firstly we have to open the brackets. Now 2x minus 3 to the 6 x plus minus minus 3 3 is 9, 7x plus 3 plus 4x here is equal to 7 by 6. Now 2x minus 6x is minus 4x minus 9. 7x plus 4x is 11x plus 3 is equal to 7 by 6. Now by cross multiplying, by cross multiplication we will get 6 into minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 7 into 11x plus 3. Now we will open these brackets. How we will open? 6 4 ja 24x minus 9 6 ja 54 is equal to 11 7 ja 77x, 7 3 is 21. Now what will we do here? We have to follow the previous rule that variable should be in one side and the constant should be in another side. So we have to transport this constant term in the right hand side. It will become, if there is minus, it will become positive, and variable term will remain in the left hand side, and this variable will also come in this left hand side by changing the sign positive with negative sign. Now add this minus 24 minus 77. What will we get from here? Minus 101 575. Yes, dividing both sides, yes, what is the coefficient of variable x? Minus 101. So that's why we have to dividing both sides by 101. What will we get from here after dividing 75 divided by 101? This will cancel out, and minus x is equal to 75 divided by 101 after multiplying both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both side by -1. By -1. Why with -1? Because here is left hand side में क्या है, माइनस है. We have to make it the positive sign. So that's why we have to multiply it with -1. We will get here minus into minus plus x is equal to minus 75,101. After dividing this 75 by 101, we will get the answer minus 0.7425. That is the required value of the variable. Yes, clear? Now rest of the question you will solve by using this method of solving the linear equation. Now we will do some questions from the applications of the linear equation. Now we will start exercise 8.2. Now we will start with the exercise 8.2. Now this is the statement. When 1/2 of a number is subtracted from its thrice, it gives 2500. Find the number. Firstly, what will we do here? We have to suppose that number. What we are talking about, we have to suppose that number. Firstly, let that number be x. हम क्या suppose कर लेते हैं वो number x. Now what is in the question? We will do according to question. When 1/2 of a number, yes, what he is talking? 1/2. What do you mean by 1/2? 1/2 of that number. That number is what? What we have supposed? X. And of a number is subtracted from its thrice. From where we have to subtract this number? Thrice. Thrice means you have to multiply that number by x. 3. Okay, that number is x. We have to make it thrice. We have to multiply it by 3, and we have to subtract half of that number from this thrice of that number. We will get, it will give 2500. It becomes in the form of an equation. Now we will solve this equation by taking LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 2 is divided by 2, getting 1. After multiplying, we will get x. 1 is x, 2500. Yes, 3 2s are 6x minus x divided by 2 is equal to 2500. Yes, what will we get? We will get here 5x divided by 2 is equal to 2500. Now by cross multiplication, what will we do here? Cross multiplication. Yes, by doing cross multiplication, what will we get here? 5x into 1 is equal to 2 into 2500. Now what is the coefficient of x here? 5. So now dividing both sides by 5. Dividing both sides by 5. What will we get here? 5x divided with 5, cancel with 5. 2 into 2500 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25,500. And therefore x is equal to 500 into 2 is 1000. So what we have supposed? X. So x की वैल्यू कितनी आई हमारे पास? 1000. So this is the required result. Which is the required number? What we have supposed? X. So x is what? 1000. So that's why we have written that is the required number what we